Yo, what up? How's it going, friend? So today you want to learn how you can remove or hide your cat icon from your Shopify Origin theme. All right. So you want to make it look just like this. All right. So today I'm going to teach you exactly how you can go about this. Now let's get straight to the video. Ta-ta-ria. Now, the first thing you want to do is to come here to your online store, okay? And you want to come to themes, and right there is my Origin theme. So you had your Origin theme and you want to hit on customize. So the moment you click on customize, you can land on the page that looks just like this. And the next thing you want to do is to come here to your header, okay? And once you come to your header, you want to scroll down to this part that says custom CSS, okay? And once you click on that, you want to go ahead and paste something here, all right? And right here is the code that you're going to paste there, okay? Which is a simple code. And that's all right? Just copy. And I'm going to give you access to this file also. And you click on paste. And you see, it's gone, all right? It's gone. So that is how you can do this. And the next thing you want to do is to click on save and you're good to go, all right? But whatever, maybe you don't really like custom CSS, maybe due to, it might not be like you don't like to use custom CSS, but maybe you've got some file, some code there already. Even if you've got code, you can still use this, but maybe you don't just want to use the custom CSS, you like to use another method, it's fine. Then let's use the base CSS method, okay? And that is also copy paste. So what you just want to do is to come back here, all right? And as you can see, the moment I remove that code, I already have the card icon back. So this is a very cool stuff, okay, that doesn't remove it for life like that. And the next thing you want to do now, if you, in case you don't want to use the custom CSS method, you can come here to Origin and come here, click on this three dotted line and click on edit code. It's still the same thing. We're just copying and pasting. We are not doing anything too much technical. So this is something anyone can do. And while the code editor is loading, we just want to copy this that says hide using base, okay? And it's still loading. So right here is the code editor. And the next thing we want to do is to click on this, you want to check out this Explorer. You want to click on the Origin. You want to drop down and you want to click on drop assets down and you want to click on base.css and you want to scroll down to the last part. Okay. You want to scroll and go down, down, down. All right. And right here, you want to paste the code that we copied and you want to click on save. And now if we should go back, you can see that it's gone again. Okay, so this is exactly the two methods that you can use to remove the card icon from your Shopify Origin theme. All right, but maybe you're still not cool. You still want another method. You can also use custom liquid. Let me just go back and remove this. And I click on save again and it's going to be back. Yep. So you can use custom liquid. You can just click on this hard section here. You can click on custom liquid and click on custom liquid again, and you want to drop down okay, so right here you want to come here to this part. You want to come here to this part that says to remove using CL, and you want to copy that and you want to paste it right there. And you can see it's gone again. All right, so this is exactly how you can remove your card icon. Okay, and if this has been very helpful, type it's gone in the comment section. It's gone. All right, and also please subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much for subscribing, and please like the video also so that YouTube can recommend it to several other people out there. Even if you don't want to subscribe, at least please like so that YouTube can recommend it. But if you want to subscribe, thank you very much. I really appreciate you, and I will see you in another video. And please take care of your health. Health is wealth, so that when money starts coming in, you will be able to spend it in good health. All right. Thank you. I will see you in another video. Peace and have a nice day ahead. Bye.